And now to the coronavirus pandemic right here in Maryland. The state creeping towards a grim milestone. Almost 300,000 cases of COVID-19 in our state as hospitalizations hit a record high. WJZ is live at 5 o'clock. Avajoy Burnett has more on what local officials plan to do to get our state back on track. Avajoy.
As you mentioned, Rick, nearly 300,000 people have tested positive for COVID-19 so far here in Maryland. So from the president-elect to the governor to the mayor here in Baltimore City, so many people are trying to figure out what to do to stop the spread. This is Johns Hopkins said we've seen a record daily death toll here in the United States, more than 4,000 people. Johns Hopkins COVID-19 data tracker reports a record 4,085 people died in the United States in a single day from COVID-19. That broke the previous record that occurred just the day before. And Maryland is adding to those troubling numbers. The state now has 6,047 coronavirus deaths and more than 299,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases, just a few hundred shy of 300,000. Johns Hopkins University experts say we may be seeing the start of a post-Christmas Day surge.
Often the surges happen a bit silently at first, meaning that they are, people who travel, maybe people who are healthier and not likely to, be the ones that develop the more severe symptoms, but they could still get it and pass it on to others, and that could take some time.
The desperation is visible in overwhelmed hospital halls across the country. Today, President-elect Joe Biden announced he will release stockpiled doses of the vaccine so more people can get access to it. Governor Larry Hogan talked about Maryland's progress on MSNBC.
We're getting the vaccines out quickly. We've done over 100,000 of them just in the past couple of weeks, and we're ramping up every day. We had a record day today.
Local jurisdictions are also seeing a spike. Baltimore's health commissioner said 671 people have died in the city. The mayor says he will continue to watch the numbers before he lifts restrictions.
We know this is tough. We know this is hard. But we also know that people are dying. And that's the most important thing that we have to understand.
And we have heard from restaurants that have had to temporarily close because they cannot operate on takeout only, but there are others who are forging forward. We'll have that angle of the story coming up for you on WJZ at 6, live tonight at City Hall. Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.